Hey YouTube, KVX here. So I'm doing another update on this mag bag. So let's talk you through some of the changes that I've had to make. First one is a material change out. So the original material I was going to use was an epoxy that was water clear and UV stable, and unfortunately it just didn't work out, because as you can see, this piece here is actually this piece in here which supports the lids, and yeah, it's just, you can just tie a knot in it. It is not good. Didn't have a set. I made two clear ends and they used to constantly warp, and in the end I ended up gluing some windows in them just to hold them in shape, and so they're no good. So anyhow, this is a different type of epoxy, one I've used in the past, and I've just tinted it black. The only thing I kind of, in hindsight, when I look at this now, is when I made my master parts, which were laser cut perspex, I should have left the paper on before I poured the silicone, and that would have given me a nice matte finish on one side and the gloss on the other, as opposed to a glossy side on both parts. So I'm not sure how that's going to go. The interesting thing about this though, and even these parts, like, you're supposed to bake this stuff for 3 hours at 70 degrees to post cure it, and it's just never set up. You can see here's this flexible piece is a clear lid that one of the lids that I was working on. You can just see how it just warps under its own weight. So yeah, not good for what I wanted to do. But this stuff, on the other hand, once it's set up, it's really good, lightweight, and seems to be nice and strong. So pretty happy with how it's going. This is just an experiment with the lettering. I wanted to do like a 3D raised lettering effect. The pigment turns out to be translucent, even though I bought what I thought was a solid colour. So I'm going to have to look into that. But I mean, this is my prototype. I want you to ignore the nasty glue lines you can see in there, because I just used cheap super glue tonight just to get this thing together so I could show you guys where I'm up to. But these are some of the revisions that I've had to make as I work through this, and so yeah, in the coming days I'll pour the other end cap and the other lid, and hopefully have a full tube bag to show you. So it's getting there. So just before we go, I'll quickly show you it put together with the shoes inside. And so there it is with the shoes inside and one lid fitted. So sorry about my rough cane work. But there it is, all coming together nicely, and I'll give you another update in a couple of days when I have something more to show you. Thanks for watching.